Sir Ibeto, one of the richest individuals domiciled in Nigeria, has pulled off a magnificent feat, something many believe that was impossible to do and accomplish alone. So what has happened? Well, for better understanding and for more clarity, showing right now on your screen is a publication which clearly states that Ibeto designed, fully financed and constructed a seaport situated in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Yes, Sir Ibeto has constructed a seaport domiciled in the south region of Nigeria. And that wasn't even all. Sir Ibeto did not even stop there. Well, showing right now on your screen is a publication where it states Ibeto unveils seaport and terminal to Nnewi Importers Association. This clearly means that after constructing a seaport domiciled in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, this man went a step further to construct and to build a terminal, more like a dry port in Nnewi. And just in case you don't know, Nnewi is one of the most industrialized areas in Nigeria, where we have the IVM Motors, that is the Innoson vehicles manufacturing. Well, we also have other industries domiciled within Nnewi. So this man, Ibeto, constructed a terminal in that same region of Anambra State. Yes, this man introduced the ambitious Ibeto Seaport and Terminal project to members of the Nnewi Importers Association in a landmark event held in that state. Chief Ibeto outlined his vision to transform the import and export landscape for Nigerians and asked the Nnewi importers to use the seaport and terminal in importing their various goods for businesses. This is a nice and massive one. This will ease the tension and stress of the seaports, the numerous seaports located in Lagos State, Nigeria. Yes, this is a very, very thoughtful one, because if you had a business or maybe you are an importer in Nigeria, you definitely have to import your goods using the seaports in Lagos and then send your goods by road to your business location. For the past couple of months, we've seen instances where Fulani bandits domiciled in Nigerian forest will ambush drivers transporting goods and abandon the goods on the highway. Well, this seaport situated in Rivers State will definitely aid and assist importers in Nigeria, because now you can actually send your goods directly to Port Harcourt. Yes, once your goods get to Port Harcourt from any part of the world, like China, Australia, India, and so on and so forth, you can from Port Harcourt send or ship out your product to your destination, which will definitely cut down the travel hours. Well, that is not even all. Ibeto isn't playing around this year and the past couple of days. Just recently, this man did something again that even the president of the country became very surprised, because this man is investing widely in Nigeria. What has this man done again? Well, for better understanding and for more clarity, take a look at this publication showing right now on your screen, where it states WACT Ibeto Group flag off on airport Port Harcourt barging operation. Yes, so Ibeto, in conjunction with the WACT, have joined forces together to make sure that the barging operation on airports located in Rivers State, Port Harcourt to be precise, that this barging operation gets to its final stage and done properly and accurately. This simply means that the WAC together or in conjunction with Ibeto wants to create two different pathways in the Onne seaport. One of this pathway will be a road or a pathway for ships carrying cargoes and goods that were imported or sent from different parts of the world. And the other pathway will be for passenger ships. That is to say, ships without any form of cargo load or payload on itself. Well, this is going to be a very, very interesting one and a massive investment for Ibeto together with his group. And just so you know, this man is a very wealthy individual, and we know that he has different businesses domiciled in the country. He has an automotive parts company in Nigeria. He also deals on petrochemicals. He deals on hospitality. Yes, because this man has series of hotels in Nigeria. Yes, he has series of hotels. The popular one we all know is the Ibeto Hotel, one of Nigeria's most luxurious hotel. This man also deals on properties. Yes, he buys and sells real estate. Sometimes he creates properties by himself. He develops a property and sell it off to real estate companies domiciled in Nigeria. Ibeto also deals on oil and gas. Yes, just like every other wealthy individual out there, Ibeto isn't different. He owns an oil and gas company, still domiciled in Nigeria. That's how wealthy this man is. And that is why he constructed a seaport in Rivers State without the help of the federal government. Well, this seaport terminal domiciled in Nnewi will definitely complement the potential seaport that is to be built in Abia State, Nigeria. Just in case you don't know, the current governor of Abia State, in the person of Alex Oti, has made series of strides to develop a seaport in that region. Yes, this man has made massive move to develop a seaport in Abia State, Nigeria, which would definitely be a game changer in that part and region of the country, because like we all know, Aba is like a China in Nigeria. Aba alone produces shoes, clothing, textiles, bags, equipment, and every other thing within. A seaport in Abia State will definitely go a long way, because it will ease the transshipment of goods and services within and around the country. Well, kudos to Ibeto for pulling off this great feat in Rivers State and in Inewi, Anambra State, and kudos to Alex Oti for making great strides to develop a state and also create massive form of employment. Anyways, moving on swiftly, just yesterday we received a very interesting update and news from Ebonyi State. Yes, the current governor of Ebonyi State isn't playing around. Just recently he sent over 200 Abians to the UK for full scholarship. Yes, just in case you don't understand, this man, the current governor of Ebonyi State, handpicked the best graduating students in series of institutions in Ebonyi State and fully paid for their tuition and granted them 100% scholarship to study in the UK, any school of their choosing. This is a massive one. For better understanding and for more clarity, well, showing right now on your screen is the moment this man met with the individuals, the students that gained that scholarship program. As you can see, he met them in person. He had to come out and greet them in person. And when you look closely, you see these guys boarding an aircraft that will definitely leave Nigeria through Lagos State International Airport. And this whole event was done in the Ebonyi State Airport. This is a massive one, and this is a big one for Ebonyi State as a whole. This is a rare case of talk and do. Unlike Hope Uzodinma, the current governor or the sitting governor of Imo State, who promised Imolites that he will give them jobs in Canada. Yes, this man promised Imolites that he will definitely find jobs for them in international countries like Canada and the UK. And as we speak, no person from the state has received a job offer from Canada using Hope Uzodinma as a reference. This is actually very laughable. But our politicians are shameless. You can't actually shame the shameless. These guys will tell you things, they will promise you a lot of things, and it won't come to fruition. But kudos to this man known as Winfiru, who is the current governor of Ebonyi State, Nigeria. Anyways, moving on swiftly, in our previous video, we exposed interesting bits of information regarding the ex-wife to Simon Ekpa. Yes, the ex-wife of Simon Ekpa came out on Sunday to make a very bold revelation and a very strong statement, claiming that Simon Ekpa never had any proper certification in Finland. This man operated illegally based out of our own comments and statements. Anyways, we have a video that will show you everything that you need to know and understand, and that video is showing right now on your screen. So click on this video to watch and understand. Click on this video and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.